Hello guys, guess what? That's right, there's a car wash there and we're going to it. This is at the Valero Gas Station here in Casa Grande, Arizona. I'm driving back to Tucson from Phoenix at night and decided to stop and film this car wash at night. It's nothing really that special, it's just a PDQ Tandem, but I do film every car wash and I know you guys will love it. You can see the car wash very well at night, which is really awesome. It's a Pro Touch Tandem. There's your view of it. I got the Works wash. Got the $10 car wash. There's your money machine. I'm gonna enter my code now. It is 667750. I'm gonna enter it in.
Hello, welcome to our car wash. Please select your wash or enter your code now.
That's the downside about using the phone, you have to touch it to focus. And here we go. This was installed probably, I would say, last year or a year and a half ago. And the last time I've been to one of these was a long time ago. I think it was back in 2013 in Fabens. I don't have the video anymore though. And look at that. We have about 2 of these in Tucson. I might show you guys sometime. Oh, that is so cool. Gonna come around this way. The top brush is not even moving. Now it might be doing spot-free rinse. I think that's what it's doing now. And this is going back into place. I think the dryers are gonna come on now. Oh, look at that. That's so cool. Wow, look at that. That is so awesome. Oh, it's doing the super sealant, so it's putting something on my car. Wow. This is like a soft touch and touch-free combo. That is so cool. It's coming back. And there you have it. Finally got to film this car wash. After a really long time of wanting to film it, there it is. Cool how the top dryers move. Oh, there's an animal there. Looks like a fox. And that's it.